So the purpose of this video is twofold. I'm going to demonstrate how you can access your files and information using the prompt on the screen. And also this particular prompt will, as a side benefit of this exercise, actually show you some handy things that you can do with Copilot. So one of the key features of 365 Copilot, the business version of Copilot, is that it can access all of your information and data, all of your files, if you like. And this makes it uniquely powerful. So if you want to extract insights, you want to run reports or anything like that, you can do that. And you do need the fully licensed version of Copilot to be able to do this. But as I said, it makes it enormously powerful. So literally anything on any of that material you can extract. So you can, from a basic search to find a particular file, to looking for key themes, or a prompt like this. So based on my NILC training materials, list 5 workplace tasks that small business people could handle better using Copilot. Give one example per task using simple steps anyone can follow in their job. So this is going to take a little while, so I'm just going to fire that off while I continue to talk about it. So I've set this up in the work tab. You'll notice that there are work and web tabs here. So being in work ensures that it's going to access my work data. So anything that I have permissions to access to within my organization would be the same for you within your organization. Your Copilot can also access that information, all of those files and data sheets, etc., that sort of thing. If you're on the web tab, then that forces Copilot to look at the web and the web only. So it's important for this task because we're looking at work information, or as Microsoft calls it, work IQ, that we are on the work tab. Second point in terms of the setup before running this point is that I've selected the Think Deeper option. Now this is really useful if you want to perform a task that requires a bit more reasoning, a bit more intelligence, such as this one. And the other options, the sort of default option, is auto or quick response. So that's great for quick queries, but for this particular task, Think Deeper is the better option. So just to ensure that we're going to get the maximum amount of reasoning, which is going to lead to a good quality response, I've selected Think Deeper here. So underneath, you will see that we've got the chain of thought reasoning. So the Copilot has explained how it's gone about the task, and looks like it's now finished it. So we've got, here are 5 tasks drawn directly from NILC Copilot course materials, plain English example and simple steps that anyone can follow. So meeting prep and follow up in teams. So one suggestion is prepare for and recap a client review meeting, and then it goes on to explain how to do that. Pretty useful task that hopefully you could perhaps pick up and run with in your business. Second one, find anything you hold on a person or topic. So if you are, this is kind of like a search and retrieval tool really. So anything that you're particularly interested in, any business you're particularly interested in or person, you can run that. Number 3, draft a proposal or report in Word. So you can knock out a 2-page proposal as it's suggesting here, but the key thing is it's going to draw upon all of your information that you have access to. Number 4, turn a brief into a slide deck in PowerPoint. So the example here is a 5-slide pitch deck based on a Word brief. Goes on to explain how to do that. And the last example is triage a long email thread and reply in Outlook, and giving the example of a supplier email chain about delayed deliveries. So there we go. It's also summed up the prompt at the bottom, why these 5. So they align with practical use cases, tips and prompts that I teach in NILC decks, and it's listed the decks that it's picked up on there, and it's asked for an additional bit of work offered to carry that out for me. But the demonstration here, really the key purpose is to show, using this example, that you can access your organization's information for literally any kind of like topic, theme, insights, reporting, anything like that at all. So If you need help in terms of coming up with some ideas of how best to use this, get in touch with an ILC. Thank you for watching.